what is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm making an exploit. It is going to be going on my website. I'm working on it right now, as you guys can see. But I'm going to be showing you how to get this kind of theme. All you need is flat UI. And to get flat, it'll look like this when you have flat UI. And I also have Boonafu somewhere. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. But right click on one, press add tab, and name it whatever you want. I'll just name it Dunce. And then right click on it, choose items, and download flat UI. Link in the description below. Flat UI. I have a bunch of them. But now press browse. Look for flat UI somewhere. I don't know where it would be though. Oh, I know where. I think. Oh. Source. Windows. Now add them. Now. Then debug flat UI. So now, once you choose it, it'll say this. Now you press OK, which I'll just press cancel because I already have it, and then you'll have flat UI, and you can use flat UI. So let's get the rich text box, wherever that is. I always have to search it because I have no idea where it is. So rich text box. Actually, this coming soon is going to be not the attach. That's just going to stay coming soon. Actually, no. I'm going to make that the attach. A-T-A-C-H. Let's actually make that. So, image. Image button. I hate the color it is. It's just disgusting. But we're going to change the color of that to this color because I love this color. Is it the background image I want? Oh no, that's not it. I think it's this one. Import. Downloads. Inject.png. Boom. I'm actually just going to make this white so it matches. Like that. Yeah. I'll do some coding in this video too, so you can learn. So, reference with API.dll. Okay. Don't click on this. Using your devs API. Export API equals new export API. API launch exploit. So that'll just inject it into the game. And now we're going to add 2 topmost buttons. Did I not? There we go. So, blue guys. Whatever. I'll just leave it like that. Flat button, go right here. This will be topmost buttons. So this is topmost on. Topmost equals off. It's really easy to code topmost. All you gotta do is, hold on, let me move that freaking pillow. Okay, this dot topmost equals true. Wait, is that how I do it? I think that's how I do it. Yeah, no, there it is. This dot topmost equals false. I'll do themes later. I'll just do the Lua executor. Execute and clear. I don't think, I'm really bad at making the open file button, so I don't think I'm ever going to make an open file button. Okay, I probably will. I've done it before with Action Source, because that was easy. But Action is really easy. Clear is one of the easiest. You just put red checkbox 1 dot clear. On that, if you're using text editor control, I forgot how to do it, but so this is a limited Lua, I think. I don't know why I put full Lua, but I'll just keep it like that. I'm too lazy to do it. So API dot send Lua script and Lua C. I'm just kind of doing the same thing, if you know what I mean. There we go. Now, rich textbox 2 dot clear. What does it want? Doesn't it want? Oh, I know one. Send them a Lua script. Rich text box 1 dot text. Method name expected. Main.cs, line 34. Let's go to line 34. Oh. There we go. Woo! I'm always too lazy to frickin' actually code the Lua C executor. So I just do this. With text editor control 1, I'm not using that. So rich text box 2 dot text. Commands. I hate commands. If you're watching to here, just say hi in the comments. Not that much. Holy shoot. What am I smoking? This will, I think people mostly use, I don't know if people even use exploits for frickin' commands these days. I just use exploits for frickin' Lua executors. force chat. Console print. No, this will be fire. That's more fun than freaking printing in the console. Do btools API.force bubble chat. Please sub to the real Haxer. API.fire. Time for the themes, I think. Here, let's just do the updater first. This is a very long video, guys. This is probably going to be about 15 minutes. I actually don't know if this updater works. I'm just going to do it. It is updated. Because I usually just do that. And yes, it has a whitelist system. I do not use Shrinker or any of that. This is kind of dumb. Credits. Text box. Right here. Multi-line. RGB color picker. I like this color. It looks really nice. This was the credits and credits to Daniel scripting and coding this exploit. Credits to VR devs for the exploit API. Now read only, true. So now I have to do the themes. I forgot how to do theme script. I don't think I'll do a lot. I have 1 more minute to record and then my thing just stopped. What happened to all of my stuff? Oh, I was about to be like, what? Well, yeah, this exploit is almost done. I'll see you guys when it is, because I have 30 seconds.